Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is your next 24 hours. So let's see what will be your next 24 hours. So it is a pick a pile reading. You need to choose one pile, whichever you are turned towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1. Who choose white pile? Your next 24 hours. Pile number 1. Pile number 1, you are feeling sad about your family situation, or you ended some relationship, or you got separated from your spouse or partner. So next to 24 hours you are thinking about those things. You are thinking about that painful things, or you are thinking about that ended relationship. You are thinking about your ex. It is already ended, that's why I am calling it ex. So you are thinking and feeling sad about that ended relationship or ex, your ex. This 24 hours you are thinking about all the things which you spent with your ex, the happy moments, the things which you shared. You're just thinking about your family situation which went wrong or which ended in a painful way. Your marriage, I can say, your long-term commitment, your marriage or long-term commitment. So recently I think it is ended. So you are thinking about that. You are feeling that loss, I can say. In this 24 hours also, you are thinking about that ending and you are feeling that loss. You are feeling sad about that loss. So let's move on to pile number 2. Who choose green pile? Our next 24 hours. Pile number 2. In next 24 hours you are healing from something. Maybe you have some health issue or any kind of mental stress, anxiety, depression, or work pressure, or any kind of illness, physical illness. So in this next 24 hours you are just spending to heal from it. You are just on resting mode, I can say. You are taking rest so that you can heal from it. Whatever you are going through, illness in your life, in this next 24 hours you are giving total rest to yourself to come out of it. Or finally within this 24 hours you will come out of it. When you are giving rest and taking break from it, or giving rest to yourself, or treating your illness. So in this next 24 hours will help you to come out of that illness. Whatever illness you are going through, whether it is physical or mental, next 24 hours will help you to come out of that illness. This is your next 24 hours. Let's move on to pile number 3, which is red pile. Your next 24 hours. So pile number 3, your next 24 hours you are going somewhere. You already had plans to go somewhere, I think. So you are going out or you are traveling. So you are doing some journey in this 24 hours, or you are planning to do some traveling. You are planning for the traveling, or you are already going somewhere. This 24 hours you are traveling to somewhere, or you are making plans to go somewhere. This 24 hours will be regarding your travel plans, I can say. Your next 24 hours will be regarding your travel plans. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose? Pile number 4. Who choose? Yellow pile. your next 24 hours. So pile number 4, your next 24 hours you are going to enjoy with your family or friends. Maybe you are going to attend some party, or you are giving party to your friends. There is some celebration is happening. You are attending or you are celebrating something. So in this next 24 hours you are attending some celebration. You are meeting with your friends, relatives. You are happy, enjoying your party, I can say. You are attending some party, or you are throwing party. So in this next 24 hours you are in a party mood. You are in a celebration mode. You are celebrating something. In this next 24 hours you are in a celebration mode. Or you are planning. It is not planning actually. You are attending something. You are celebrating already. It is not planning. You are already celebrating. In this next 24 hours you are going to celebrate something, or you are attending some party or function, or you are meeting your friends just to have some dinner party, lunch party, kind of thing. So let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose blue pile? Your next 24 hours. Pile number 5. Actually, pile number 5, you thought to give some proposal or love offer to someone, or you rejected the offer from someone. If someone offered you or proposed you rejected that. So in next 24 hours you are thinking about that, or someone rejected you. I think it will come in this way also. Either you rejected or someone rejected your offer. Take it as it resonates to you. So you are thinking about that rejection, I can say. Whether you rejected or opposite person rejected, you are thinking about that rejection. It is a particularly love offer, not career opportunity. It is a purely love or relationship opportunity or offer. So either you gave offer to someone, or someone offered you their cup of love, but you rejected it, or you offered your cup of love or they rejected it. So you are just thinking about that rejection. Next 24 hours you will be in a regretting mode. If you offered someone love of cup and they rejected, you feel regretted to offering that cup of love to them. If you rejected, still you feel regretted that not accepting that cup of love. So next 24 hours you will be in that regretting mode of that rejection, I can say. Whatever rejection happened, you are just thinking about it and regretting about that rejection. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can find the details in description box.